Equity benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty ended lower on Monday after surrendering gains made during the opening hours as ongoing geopolitical tensions and elevated crude oil prices kept investors cautious. Market sentiment also remained subdued ahead of fresh US sanctions on Iran. The global oil benchmark Brent crude traded 1.68% lower at $92.80 per barrel. The 30-share BSE Sensex declined over 171 points to settle at 77,369, while the 50-share NSE Nifty shed 33 points to close at 24,219. From the Sensex pack, Adani Ports, Bharat Electronics, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv and Trent were the top losers, whereas Tata Steel, HCL Tech, Infosys, Hindustan Unilever and Sun Pharma were among the major gainers.
The crude oil prices which are hovering northwards of 90 is something that needs to be watched out. And now to add to this, which is a fallout of the crude oil prices, the bond yields have started sort of picking up the noise. So no one wants to fund the the treasuries, the corporate bonds in the US, which is largely fed on the AI capital or capex requirement. No one wants to fund that, and and that is leading to a spike in the yield. So that will build some pressure there. Watch out for 24,150. Apart from crude oil, now we have the bond yields and the inflation now taking up. The Fed, the committee says, the minutes of the meeting says that they're not going to hike the interest rates in the 25th of October meeting, but will they be able to sustain? So will they be able to have this stands while the bond yield is picking up is something that needs to be watched out very carefully.
On the sectoral front, banks, financial services, consumer durables, capital goods, and auto shares dragged the market down, while metals, telecom, IT, oil and gas, and realty counters remained firm. All major Asian markets ended in red, including South Korea's Kospi, Japan's Nikkei, China's Shanghai Composite, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng. European markets were trading in positive territory on Monday. US markets settled higher on Friday. Foreign institutional investors remained net sellers on Friday as they offloaded net equities worth over 542 crore rupees.